well, the same thing. I won't say it's the same exact thing because the chemical dynamic and all of that, but they go through the same process. The only difference is if you do order my top coat, it's a no wipe top coat. So you don't have to wipe it at the end. So I would just let them know that it's no wipe, because some of them do the no wipe top coats and some of them do not. So that's the only difference for sure.
Okay, so we
Hmm.
will verbally need to tell them that. Okay.
Yes, yes.
I can just hear my nail tech because it's always like, Courtney, you're so picky, you're so spoiled. And now here I come in with like, this is a vegan polish and you need to put this on my nails. And it's just going to really amp up his perspective of me.
Yes, he's gonna be like, "Oh Lord, now she's coming in here with her own polish."
Yes, exactly.
Yes, yes.
Awesome. Well, I'm wondering, okay, so we have for our listeners, I'm
Mhm.
wanting to know, do you have any like promos or discounts you like to offer to our customers